Welcome to our YouTube channel. Let's travel with D and 9. Today we are going to show you how to set up Spinifex NAKARA 3-person tent. First of all, we put a tarp on the ground just to protect the tent. Then we laid some interlocking foam mats on top of the tarp before laying the tent. Hope you enjoyed our video. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified when a new video is released. Also, please like, comment and share with your friends. Bye for now. See you again in another video.